If you were starting from scratch and needed to make $500 fast, what would you do? This isn't a theory, it's a real plan. Today, we're walking you through a step-by-step guide for beginners to earn quickly and effectively. These strategies are easy to follow, actionable, and perfect, whether you're new to online work or just looking for a fresh start. Stick around to discover a proven three-step system and exclusive bonuses that can help you get there even faster. All resources are linked in the description. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact tools and steps to create your first $500 from home. These aren't complicated methods or empty promises. These are simple, beginner-friendly solutions that work. CashWave's founder spent years trying countless online side hustles, tools, and platforms in search of sustainable income. After filtering through options that were either too complex or too low-paying, he narrowed the field down to 5 tools and a 3-step approach that consistently work for beginners. These strategies allowed him to create lasting income streams, starting with $500 in just a few weeks. Today, we're sharing his step-by-step plan. Start with a tool designed for beginners. Live Chat Jobs is an ideal option. This platform connects you with companies that need customer support through chat. Tasks include answering questions and solving basic problems, all from home. You don't need previous experience, and there's no selling involved. It's simple, flexible, and pays quickly. Follow the link in the description to explore how easy it is to get started. Another excellent choice is WriteApp Reviews, a platform where you can earn by reviewing apps. Companies need honest feedback to enhance their apps, and they're willing to pay $25 to $50 per review. Tasks are straightforward and can be completed on your smartphone or tablet. Whether you're reviewing fitness apps, productivity tools, or games, this is a beginner-friendly way to start creating income right away. This is where the real acceleration happens. Toolkit 4. AI Toolkit Essentials is a game changer for anyone starting out. This toolkit includes automation tools and templates that make working online more efficient. For example, AI text generators can create product descriptions or blog drafts in minutes. Video editing tools streamline content creation, while pre-built templates save hours on gig work. With this toolkit, you can increase your efficiency and take on more tasks without feeling overwhelmed. Find all the details and access bonuses through the description link. Affiliate marketing is a great way to build an additional income stream. Platforms like Fiverr make this easy. By signing up for their affiliate program, you earn commissions every time someone uses your referral link to purchase a service. Craig used this strategy to recommend tools he was already using, such as automated content creators or design services. This approach allowed him to multiply his earnings with minimal extra effort. Use the link in the description to learn more and get started today. Real CashWave users are already seeing results. Melissa T. from Dallas used WriteApp Reviews and Live Chat Jobs to earn $225 within her first 3 days. She described the process as straightforward and rewarding. Similarly, Julian C. from Chicago reported gaining confidence and consistent payouts after combining AI Toolkit Essentials with affiliate marketing strategies. These success stories highlight what's possible when you take action with these tools. Toolkit 4-A1I Toolkit Essentials is your ultimate resource for streamlining online tasks. From automation tools to professional-grade templates, this bonus pack is designed to help you work smarter, not harder. Access is exclusive through CashWave, so grab it while you can. Taking the first step toward earning $500 doesn't need to be overwhelming. These tools and strategies simplify the process and set you up for success. So if you had to start earning $500 this week, which tool would you use first? Share your choice in the comments below. We review every comment and love hearing about your plans. While you're here, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more step-by-step guides and success strategies from CashWave. All the tools we've covered today, along with the exclusive AI Toolkit Essentials, are linked in the description below. Be sure to act quickly to secure your bonuses and start building your income today. And don't miss our next video, where we'll show you how to grow these results further by scaling with Fiverr's affiliate opportunities.